I have always hated Kipp handles. I mean, they just, no matter what machine or instrument they're on, you can never seem to utilize them fully to the way they were designed. If they're loose, you try to back it off and you got to try to hold the head while your hands are in an odd position. So what I do is I defeat every Kipp handle. I just take them apart and I use the handle itself as a simple wrench or lever when I'm done, and in the meantime I can use the actual piece like a knob, like you see here I'm using on my shaper fence, which would be really difficult to operate from behind the garden in that tight little space. So that's just one example. Here you can see my little bin that I keep on my machine where I keep lots of odds and ends and tools that I use regularly. I keep one of the Kipp levers in there. They're pretty much all the same on most of this machine, so I've defeated them everywhere, and you can see here that's for my miter gauge. I also use it underneath the miter gauge to loosen it to the slider's edge. Here's my little accessory table. As you can see there, that would be very difficult to operate from underneath, so I just use it as a wrench, basically. Loosen it, take the wrench off, and then I can finger tighten those or finger loosen those quite easily. Anyway, that's my hack. I hope you enjoyed it.